Hello students, today we start our 12th chapter, pollution. Okay, in this chapter we learn about different types of pollution, for example air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. First of all, what is a pollution? So pollution is a activity that is done by a human or a natural calamities through which we getting a dirty environment. Okay, with the help of some human activities as well as natural activities, we getting dirty our environment. Okay, so that is known as a pollution. And the substances that are used to pollute our environment, that is known as a pollutant. Okay, means the harmful substances that is present inside our environment and they causes a pollution are known as a pollutants. Okay, so firstly now we start. Let's go. Observe the picture given below and circle the activities that are harming the surroundings. Means in this in this picture you have seen that there are all types of activities are done by the humans that causes a pollution. Okay, so you have to circle those things that create a pollution. So there is a burning of garbage. Okay, also causes a air pollution and land pollution also. Okay, these vehicles causes a air pollution by producing a harmful gases, and on this side a human being throwing a waste materials into the water, so he causes a water pollution. Next is garbage. A dump of garbage is also causes a soil pollution. Means these are the some activities that harming our environment as well as our surroundings also. Okay, so next we start our chapter that in our surroundings there is a presence of all living things and non-living things that make our environment. Okay, but some activities, some human activities and some by some natural disasters, they have spoiled the environment. Okay, and the harmful substances that is added in our environment causes a pollution, and that harmful substance that is used to create a pollution is known as a pollutants. So in this chapter there are four main kinds of pollution. First is air pollution, land pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. So firstly we discuss about air pollution. The addition of chemicals and harmful substances into the atmosphere of the earth is called air pollution. Means when a gases release out in our surroundings or in our environment, they mix with air and causes a air pollution. Okay, for example, smoke coming from factories, vehicles such as cars, buses, trucks, they all release a lot of smoke when they are in working. Okay, and burning of leaves, garbage, papers, means these all fumes or smoke materials are going into the air and pollute the air. Next, the in this air there is a presence of lot of harmful gases. Okay, first harmful gas is chlorofluorocarbon. So in this chlorofluorocarbon there is a combination of carbon gas, hydrogen gas, chlorine and fluorine. Okay, and these chlorofluorocarbons are mainly present in our houses. For example, when you start AC, okay, air conditioner, so there is a cooling effect, and that cooling effect is causes with the help of a chlorofluorocarbon, but that chlorofluorocarbon is very harmful to us. Similarly in refrigerators also, jet planes also. Means whenever we need a cooling inside our house or inside our jet planes by by opening ACs, okay, or in a refrigerator, there is a working of harmful gas that is known as a chlorofluorocarbon, okay, and these gases harms our ozone layer also. And what is a ozone layer? Ozone layer is a layer that covering our outer surface of earth atmosphere from harmful ultraviolet rays that is coming from earth. Whenever every small part of ultraviolet rays are coming on the surface of earth, they causes a large amount of diseases like cancer, skin infections also. Next one is breathing polluted air. It also causes a respiratory problems like asthma, allergies, and even a lung cancers. Next one is water pollution. Water pollution is also done same as by the air pollution activities, okay. So when we discuss about water pollution, so firstly we talk about the large rivers and oceans, okay, that is polluted by throwing of waste materials or a waste water of factories and household sewage enter into oceans and water bodies like rivers, so that the water get polluted. Household and industry wastes are sometimes thrown into the rivers without being treated, okay. These added poisonous substances in the water bodies and they kill the aquatic animals that is present inside the water, because when we throw polluted water in the water bodies, they decrease the amount of oxygen that is present inside the water. So due to the decrease in oxygen that is dissolved in water, some aquatic animals getting died, and also we can decrease the amount of aquatic animal species also, okay. And sometimes we in villages में क्या होता है, जो वाटर बॉडीज़ होती हैं, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल रिवर हो गया, तो अगर हम एग्रीकल्चर करते हैं, ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे भी हम जो पानी के साथ क्या होता है, जो औरतें होती हैं वो कपड़े धोने जाती हैं, ठीक है, तो वहाँ वो भी क्या करती हैं, वाटर को पॉल्यूट करती हैं ना, क्योंकि वो सोप सब्सटेंस को उस फ्रेश वाटर में क्या कर देती हैं, मिक्स कर देती हैं, और इसमें भी क्या प्रेजेंट होते हैं, केमिकल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. मीन्स देयर आर मैनी वेज और ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज दैट pollute the water, okay. So when where a water is polluted, we have we should not go for a bath, wash clothes near the water bodies. Soap and detergents also have chemicals that pollute the water bodies. We should not throw garbage into our water bodies and help to keep them. Next one is land pollution. Have you ever seen garbage dump here and there? We all have seen a large garbage dumps near about outer areas of the cities, okay. There is a large dump where is a large amount of plastics, metal, glass waste are staying, okay. So that dump is also called also causes a soil pollution, okay. Land also get polluted when trees are cut down and left is barren for erosion. When we cutting a large amount of trees, so first of all, what is the function of trees? Function of the trees is they hold the soil with the help of our roots, okay. So it also prevent to cause the soil erosion. So firstly, what is the soil erosion? Soil erosion is the removal of topmost fertile layer of earth. जो अर्थ की सबसे उपजाऊ परत होती है सॉइल की, ठीक है, उसको क्या कर देता है, रिमूव कर देता है. और वो रिमूव कैसे होगी, जैसे हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ट्री को काट देंगे, ठीक है, तो वो ट्रीज पहले कि उन्होंने क्या किया हुआ था, सॉइल को होल्ड किया हुआ था टाइटली, ठीक है। लेकिन जब ट्रीज कट जाएंगे तो सॉइल लूज हो जाएगी, और ये विंड की वजह से, फ्लड की वजह से, तो ये इसकी जो टॉप मोस्ट फर्टाइल लेयर होगी, उपजाऊ लेयर होगी, वो क्या हो जाएगी, रिमूव हो जाएगी, जहाँ पर क्या है कोई भी क्रॉप ग्रो नहीं करेगी, ठीक है। तो वो जो लैंड है वो क्या हो जाएगी, अनउपजाऊ हो जाएगी, ठीक है। तो वहाँ पर कोई भी हम फसल नहीं उगा सकते। दैट इज अ मेजर लॉस विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ सॉइल पोल्यूशन और कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज, ठीक है। व्हेन दे आर कट, fertile soil particles are left loose and can be easily carried away by strong winds and water currents. Chemicals such as fertilizers, pesticides, weedicides that is used by the farmers to kill the insects that is present inside their crops, weeds, but they also pollute your crop as well as soil also. Okay, now we discuss about time. Please kindly identify the kind of pollution each of these leads to. So vehicular fumes causes a air pollution. Burning of leaves also causes a air pollution. Pesticides in soil causes a land pollution. Next is sewage in rivers, so it causes a water pollution. Garbage dumps means कूड़े के ढेर, ठीक है। So that is also called a land pollution. Next one is match the following. Chlorofluorocarbon. So what is a chlorofluorocarbon? Chlorofluorocarbon is a harmful gas that damages ozone layer. Okay, so smoke is done with the smoke causes a air pollution. Fertilizers causes a land pollution. Sewage causes a water pollution, and barren land causes a soil erosion. Okay, next one and last is noise pollution. So in our surroundings or in cities or a major cities, there is a lot of noise pollutions, and that noise pollution is created with the help of vehicles horn. Okay, so when we use loudspeakers and play loud music, it causes a noise pollution. Screeching and honking of vehicles also cause noise pollution. Listening to very loud sound continuously over a large period of time causes a deafness. Deafness means you cannot able to hear. ओके, आपको सुनना क्या हो जाएगा, बंद हो जाएगा, ठीक है। एंड दैट नॉइज पोल्यूशन इज मेनली इफेक्ट ऑन स्मॉल चाइल्ड, स्मॉल बेबीज एंड old parents. Okay, for example grandpa, grandma. So they affected noise pollution very badly. Next one is, it is important that we care for our environment. Pollution leads to many disasters and it harm our earth. We should keep our earth clean and green. Okay, means to clean our earth or in our environment, we getting a fresh air. When we getting a fresh air, we cannot attacked by any disease. Okay, so we should have to clean our environment as well as our surroundings and grow more and more trees to reduce the air pollution. Okay, to reduce water pollution, we should not throw garbage into the waters, and we should not throw polluted water into the water bodies. Okay, to reduce the land pollution, we should have to reduce the amount of pesticides, fertilizers that is used in our fields or for our crops also. Okay, so this is all about our chapter, and this chapter is very easy. You have to read out this chapter very carefully. Okay, now we discuss about the let's practice first part, fill in the blanks with correct options. So first is, all that exist around us form our environment. All the things that is present in our surroundings, they make together and form a environment. Okay, not atmosphere. Next one is harmful substances that are mixed in our environment are known as pollutants. Harmful substances that are mixed in our environment that pollute our environment, that is known as a pollutants. Next is weedicides and pesticides causes a land pollution. Fourth one, loudspeakers and screeching of vehicles cause noise pollution. We dash bath with soap and water near water bodies, so we should not bath with soap and water near water bodies because it creates or it causes a water pollution. Next one is tick the correct option. Which of these causes air pollution? Smoke from factories, vehicular smoke, burning of things. So all of these causes a air pollution. Second one is which of these actions pollute water bodies? Garbage on land, loudspeakers, untreated household and industrial wastes, planting trees and bushes. So water bodies can be polluted when we throw untreated household and industrial waste into the water body. So the answer is B. Third one is which of these causes a land pollution? So land pollution is caused by throwing garbage on lands. Okay. So I hope you will understand this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.